Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In today's video, we are going to be doing a barber practice test number 1. Please be sure to read your textbook for more information on each subject. Please know that information is not limited to the one shown in this video. So if you are currently studying to prepare for your state barber exam, I hope you find this helpful. This will be a 20 question and answer practice test going over infection control, hair and scalp physiology, taper cuts, and fades. Don't forget to share it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, consider subscribing. With that being said, good luck on your test. Now let's get started. Number 1, an approved EPA registered hospital disinfectant is effective for incidents involving exposure to blood and body fluids on what type of surface? A. Passable. B. Non-porous. C. Absorbent. D. Porous. The answer is B. Non-porous. Number 2, tools and supplies that come in contact with the client during a service must be A. Discarded or disinfected. B. Reused or discarded. C. Reused or rinsed only. D. Reused or disinfected. The answer is A. Discarded or disinfected. Number 3, always store disinfectant in containers that are A. Dark, B. Clear, C. Plastic, D. Labeled. The answer is D. Labeled. Number 4, tools used to puncture or invade the skin must be sterilized or designed to be A. Porous, B. Disposable, C. Dirty, D. Dull. The answer is B. Disposable. Number 5, an approved EPA registered hospital disinfectant is required for use when A. Non-porous tools come in contact with blood or body fluid. B. Tools are new. C. Clients request it. D. Once a week. The answer is A. Non-porous tools come in contact with blood or body fluids. Number 6, which of the following statements identify an appropriate step for a basic hand washing procedures? A. Use a towel for drying. B. Rinse hands in cold water. C. Spend at least 20 seconds working up a good lather. D. Position hands upward to allow rinse to drip down to the wrist. The answer is C. Spend at least 20 seconds working up a good lather. Number 7, what do you do first when a blood exposure incident happens? A. Ask another professional to assist. B. Clean injured area with soap and water. C. Discard contaminated supplies. D. Stop the service. The answer is D. Stop the service. Number 8, hair grows from a tube-like pocket called a root sheath or A. Papilla. B. Follicle. C. Erector pili. D. Bulb. The answer is B. Follicle. Number 9, what is the natural flow or wave pattern of hair determined by? A. The shape of the head. B. The number of follicles. C. The size of the follicle. D. The angle of the follicle. The answer is D. The angle of the follicle. Number 10, the central core of the hair strand, sometimes missing in fine or very fine hair, is the A. Medulla, B. Papilla, C. Cuticle, D. Cortex. The answer is A. Medulla. Number 11, the hard resistant layer of protein that protects the hair strand is the A. Medulla, B. Papilla, C. Cortex, D. Cuticle. The answer is D. Cuticle. Number 12, a graduated form is also referred to as a wedge or A. 90-degree angle cut, B. 0-degree angle cut, C. 45-degree angle cut, D. 180-degree angle cut. The answer is C. 45-degree angle cut. Number 13, the apex refers to what part of the head? A. Front, B. Side, C. Bottom, D. Top. The answer is D. Top. Number 14, which line is considered to be the length guide used while cutting hair? A. Projection line, B. Elevation line, C. Design line, D. Crest line. The answer is C. Design line. Number 15, when very short lengths stand out from the head, they expose the scalp and create A. Fades, B. Outlining, C. Tapers, D. Transparency. The answer is D. Transparency. Number 16, how does starting with a large comb with a thicker spine offer a safety net for a barber? A. Ensures the hair is not cut too short or shorter than intended. B. Helps to refine in tight areas. C. Helps remove more bulk. D. Ensures the hair is cut shorter than intended. The answer is A. Ensures the hair is not cut too short or shorter than intended. Number 17, what technique is performed by arcing the clippers away from the head in a curved movement? A. Outlining, B. C-stroke, C. T-stroke, D. Notching. The answer is B. C-stroke. Number 18, which tool is most often used by the barber when performing freehand techniques? A. Clippers, B. Straight razor, C. Outliner, D. Shears. The answer is A. Clippers. Number 19, from which area of the head should you avoid thinning the hair? A. Interior, B. Exterior, C. Crest, D. Hairline. The answer is D. Hairline. Number 20, what technique is used when the lengths are too short to control with the fingers? A. Comb control, B. Notching, C. Overcomb, D. Blocking. The answer is C. Overcomb. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and consider subscribing. I want to wish you guys the best of luck on your test. Keep studying. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.